Clean water is not a gift to earn, not a privilege for a chosen turn. It is a right, a daily need, the soil where dignity takes seed.
Long ago, it used to be very hard for us to do house chores, We used to wake up very early to go and fetch. We don't have to fetch late because there are not even lights.
Gana amazi okugafuna wali tubadde tulwanirawo n'abasajja nga twagala amazzi nga tegalabika naye kati twagala batuweeko wali agafa abakyala naffe tugakoseko.
Tubadde tukaaba amazzi ng'abantu bangi nga basajja bangi bakkiriza abakazi kati tulina amaanyi bali balina amaanyi.
So when I saw this project coming here, then I had to ask them to give us water, because now with this water, when we were in the other small hall, children were fighting, girls were coming back crying. By that time, even they can stand even like 5 hours waiting to fetch water. So it disorganized the single mothers and the girls who come and fetch water from the Boa hall. You see them standing, the mothers are waiting to make for them maybe breakfast, maybe lunch, but now they are standing there until those people finish to fetch water is when they will get water.
This project here, we have been here many years ago, but we're not going to take this one taken here very fast. So thank you very much. This water here is good very fast to put the other water of ours we have been having there. It's good water. Myself, I prefer it. It's very good.
Now, since there are very many sources of getting that water, it is very easy for us to save time and do other things very fast. This well gives me confidence as a young refugee girl. First of all, I have to first thank this organization because it has shown me that they really love us. Since the new well is there, it's very easy for us to go anytime because there are very many sources of water now.
Priscilla, how many people do you think use the well here?
I think the whole Kosovo, this Lungujja.
Eyo luzi yonna eyo zonna zituyamba nnyo nga refugees wano. So nga lwaki olaba n'aba refugees bajja wano naye lwakuba tosobola kubawawula refugees n'abantu ba bulijjo kubanga ffenna tukwatagana bulungi.
Tebale nnyo ekisitule kye mutukoledde kya luzi kikulu nnyo abantu babonaabona amazzi.
So we appreciate for what you people did for us.
Weebale nnyo tusanyuse nnyo.